How to download Zoom application on your laptop. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily download Zoom for your meeting or school on your PC. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the web browser that you have available. Right now I have opened Google Chrome, and on the search bar you're going to search for Zoom download. And once you do this, you will see the first link, that is the official website for Zoom. So just open the link. And here you will have different options to download for 64 bits, 32 bits, and then AMR64. I suggest you download the first option, the 64-bit. Just tap on it and it will start downloading the exe file. While this is downloading, I want you to head down below to hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, so let's wait for this to get completed. So as you can see, the installer has been downloaded. Now what you want to do is you can directly click here, or you can click on this little folder icon. It will show you where it's located. It's usually on your download folder. And now you can just double click on it and it will start to install your Zoom Workplace. And once it is done, you should be able to use your Zoom normally, and then you can log into your account. Zoom has given us various methods to log in, like your Facebook, your Google ID, and even your Apple ID. And doing that allows you to join meeting, create meeting, or even host anything. So by doing this, you can easily use Zoom normally on your PC. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.